I've arrived in Mammoth Lakes, California, where a blizzard warning is in effect later today through tonight and tomorrow, in effect until the early morning hours on Friday, with 5 to 7 feet of snow possible above 6,000 feet. I'm at 7,800 feet here, so I'm included in that blizzard warning, and we do expect winds of 80 to 100 miles an hour at those higher ridge tops around the Sierra Nevadas, and that's going to create blizzard conditions here tonight through Thursday and through Thursday night. Absolutely dangerous conditions out here. That includes the I-80 corridor, Truckee through Donner Summit, down here in the Mammoth Lakes area. And the whole Sierra Nevadas are just going to get hammered with feet of snow and also with rain at lower elevations, especially in the western foothills of the Sierra Nevadas. Could easily see even over a foot of rainfall. So just a textbook atmospheric river here hammering this area. This is likely going to be one of the most prolific snowstorms I've ever covered. Will likely be trapped in here for days, and it'll just show you how dangerous winter weather can get out here in the Sierra Nevadas later on today.